Okay, now it's time to talk about managing processes. So we have the background processes and we have the foreground processes. So we have the BG command and the FG. Okay, so the BG to put the current command on the background and the FG to put the current process on the foreground. Okay, so background, which means it is running behind the scenes. Foreground, we are seeing what it is. So Bing, Google.com, this is a foreground. Okay, so Control C to quit from it. So to interrupt, to send a interrupt signal. Control Z to suspend the processes. And we have Control D to quit from it. But sometimes Control D doesn't work. Okay, so as you can see, Control D doesn't work. Control C. Okay, now if I type the jobs command, you can see that we have one job that is suspended because of the Control Z. Now to continue it, we can put the or use the FG with percentage, Shift 5 and 1, which is the ID of the job. Press enter, you can see that it will start continue it. Control C, jobs again, you can see there are nothing here. Now if I type Bing Google.com and put the ampersand, here or Shift 7, this is to run the command in the background. Okay, so here as you can see, the command is being in the background because the output of the command will keep showing to the terminal, so that's why we are still showing it. How to do such a thing? So as you can see, Control C doesn't work, Control Z doesn't work. So how to do such a thing? We will open a new terminal like this, as you can see, and press the BS-OX command, and here to show everything, as you can see, all of the processes that are running for which user, as you can see. By the way, man BS, here it will show you every details about it. Okay, so we are using BS-OX, then pipelining, then grep the Bing command. Okay, like this, and here is our command. Here you can see the user is Kali, yes, and this is the PID for it. So we will use another command called kill-9, the number of the ID or PID. -9 means send as a kill signal. Okay, so forcefully kill it. Now kill it, press OX again, you can see that it is not here anymore. By the way, this is for the BS-OX grep thing. Okay, that's why it is showing. So we have learned a lot. Actually, BS, we have -E, which means to print everything. As you can see, print everything. By the way, BS command here is a very huge topic. You can see it has a very huge options, flags, and a lot of customizable things. So for now, we learned the most important thing, which is the BS-OX, and using the pipelining with using grep and Bing or whatever text you want. Okay, cool.